Hey, what's up guys? It's Isaac here again. Welcome back to the channel. We have here the Xiaomi Mi Watch China. That's the Chinese version. And we're going to be talking extensively about this watch in this video. Alright, so the Mi Watch has an AMOLED display of 1.78 inches and a Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Behind the watch you get a heart rate monitor and the 4 charging pins. The watch has a rubber strap attached at both sides. Beside the watch you get a digital crown for navigation and a shortcut button with a microphone, and the other side a speaker and a single microphone also. A single tap on the digital crown turns on the device if it's off. A swipe down from the top brings down the notification panel where you get to see all your notifications. Also, a swipe from the bottom brings up a bunch of notification toggles where you can have quick shortcuts for whichever setting you want. I also remarked my shortcut buttons for workouts. So whatever you set for the shortcut button is going to activate whenever you press it. So here you have a bunch of workouts on the Mi Watch. It's a lot. You get indoor cycling, outdoor cycling, walking, trekking, trail run, freestyle, yoga, hiking, and HIIT workout. So many of them there. A single tap to the crown, digital crown, takes you to home screen, and if you tap the digital crown whenever it's on, you get a bunch of app menus. So here you see all your apps included in the Mi Watch. Going to settings, you have display settings, sound settings, app settings, gesture, connectivity, accessibility, and a bunch of settings in the Mi Watch. So tapping and holding the home screen gives you the option to select different watch faces on the watch. So you can change between watch faces. You can actually add more watch faces or download watch faces online, whichever one you prefer. The support for watch faces for the Mi Watch is pretty good. The Mi Watch has a 590 mAh battery. The battery life is around 2 days on extensive use, also close to 2 days if you use always on display. You can get more if you're not using it to receive calls or excessive notifications like I do. The Mi Band fits very well. The rubber strap is very comfortable to the hand, and it has a raise to wake feature on the watch, which can be activated in the app. Speaking of the app, the Mi Watch has two app versions, which is the Chinese version of the Mi Wear app and the Google Wear app, which you have to download. This is the Google Wear app. Here you basically get to change watch faces and change your tie positions in your watch, and get to change watch notifications or silent apps, etc. Why the Mi Watch, the Mi Wear app? When you open the app, you get a history of your workout, your steps, your calories burned, your last workout. You get heart rate stops. In your workout section, you get detailed and comprehensive report of each workout you've done when you did them. In the head section, you get workout plan and workout recommendations. So here you basically create your own workouts the way you want them to be. So going to the profile section, you get a bunch of different settings. Here you can also change watch faces in the Mi Wear app. When you go to the watch faces settings, you see a bunch of different watch faces, and you can also download different watch faces online from the Mi Wear app also. And if you download any watch face from here, you can directly sync them to your phone. So the apps are very easy to use and very simple and understanding. So that is all about these two apps. And also a little thing to know, the connection is a bit complicated, as you can't connect to this watch if you download both apps from the Google Play Store. You have to download them from external sources. I will leave a link to those to the two apps below in the description. The Mi Watch is $126 right now on online stores. Is it still a good buy after months has gone by? I would say yes. The quality is still very good. It's holding up well. The battery still lasts very long. It still has a good design that looks close to what Apple has to offer, though it's a little bit thick and heavier. Alright guys, that wraps it all for this video. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this coming up to the channel soon. This is All Round Review. I'm Isaac here signing out. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.